Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I am hoping that you all are fine. So guys, in this video I will discuss about a common question arising in the mind of CMA intermediate student, if a candidate is an intermediate student and if a candidate is a final student. I have observed the same common question in Facebook, in Telegram channel or in WhatsApp group. Okay, you guys can also understand or observe this question. Okay, and the question is that whether group 1 or group 2 is easy or scoring, or final candidate asks whether group 3 or group 4 is easy or high scoring mark. Okay, you have also observed the same thing or same question in WhatsApp, Telegram channel or Facebook group. Okay, so based on my own experience, okay, based on my experience or based on my friends, those qualified, I have with the marks I will give the answer of this question. Okay, and those CMA intermediate, if you have also observed this thing and if you want to share your journey, so in the comment section you can share. If you are a final student who has qualified intermediate, okay, you can also share your own journey with your own marks. Okay, and one thing is sure that this question is not arising for those students who want to give both group. The question is not arising for those candidate. Okay, those candidate who want to give either group 1, group 3, group 1, group 2, group 3 or group 4, the question arise for those candidate. So I am discussing one by one. So guys, if you're in a crux or in a concluding manner, guys, we if you're talking about my own journey or my own marks, okay, how many marks I have scored in group 1 or group 2 of CMA intermediate. So guys, if we see the course content as well as, so yes, easily we can say that group 2 of CMA intermediate is high scoring or easy, we can say that in comparison to group 1, although group 1 is also easy, but if you're talking about high scoring marks, so yes, easily I can say that group 2 OMSM paper number 10 costing, company accounts and audit, and IDT also. Okay, and in group 1 we have seen that financial accounting, the course content is too much in comparison to group 2 subject wise, and law, which is purely a theoretical subject, and most of the CMA students are afraid of theoretical subject. Okay, so law, which is purely a theoretical subject. Okay, and DT, in which you have a lot many section you need to learn, you need to understand. Okay, although in IDT we have also too many sections, but in I have seen that most of the students are afraid in comparison to IDT. DT is tough for them. Okay, but although group 1 is group 2 is easy, but if you're talking about me personally, so I have also scored more marks in group 2 in comparison to group 1. Okay, and same thing I have observed with my friends, and also in the recent those candidates who got their results. So you can also understand that if you are a final student, please in the comment section tell, do not disclose your marks, but you can also tell that in which group you scored more marks. Okay, so yes, based on my journey or based on my friend's journey, you can understand that I have scored more marks, more marks in group 2 in comparison to group 1. Okay, so hope intermediate student get this get the answer of your common question. Now come to group 3 final student, whether group 3 is easy or group 4 is easy. So guys, if you're talking about my own journey or based on in a concluding manner, we can understand further. In group 4, paper number 19 and 20 is very easy. Self study 60, 70, 80, even though 90 marks you can score in paper number 19 and 20. Okay, and paper number IDT, most of the content you have already studied in CMA intermediate. Okay, so there is no problem related with the IDT. A few more advanced content you have to study in IDT, but there is a you can have one subject in which a final student, group 4 student face some trouble. Otherwise 3 subjects are very easy. CFR is, you can say, lengthy in content wise. Okay, otherwise paper number 19, 20 or IDT is very easy. And if you are comparing with the group 3 SFM, okay, which is one of the technical subject, law, which is purely a theoretical subject, and again a student afraid of writing theory and reading theory again and again. Okay, and remaining SCM you can manage easily, no need to worry. Or DT, most of the content you have studied, but in IDT DT you have a, you can say, advanced level of DT you have to see in final. And if you're talking about my own personal experience, in which group I have scored good more marks in CMA final. So yes guys, I have again scored in group 4 more marks in comparison to group 3. Okay, same in group intermediate, group 2 I have scored more marks, and in final I have scored more marks in group 4 in comparison to group 3. So those candidates who are asking again and again question in Telegram channel, WhatsApp or Facebook, I have also observed the same thing. You guys have also observed the same thing. So hope you understand that. But this question, guys, not arise for those candidates who are giving both groups. So this is not a question, a common question for them. Okay, but those candidates, you can say that if you are giving final group, so you have to more. If you deliver a little effort in group 4, so you can easily, and this will I can say that benefit you to clear your group. If you are giving both group 4 will help you to clear your group, and in intermediate group 2 will help you to clear your group. Okay, easily you can get exemption in OMSM too many subject in group 2 or group 4. So hope you get the answer of your common question. Still, after watching this video, any candidate has a doubt and need any clarification or want to give some suggestion in the comment section, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. And if you want to share your own experience, so always welcome. Okay, from my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.